In this video, I'm going to show how I created the Power BI report using the Power BI desktop editor. In this Power BI report, we're using an example data from World Health Organization. This is a Power BI template. So what I did is I added to this template the Q&A module that's available in Power BI. This allows natural language processing, and I trained this module on how I wanted to suggest questions for people to ask and how to interpret questions people ask. I'm going to click on this cogwheel here to show some of the setup. Here under suggest questions, here's our questions I had asked. So for example, total public funds in United Kingdom. I can click add and let me save this. You can see here all of the suggestions down here. It updated with the new data. So here's total public funds in the United Kingdom. These are the suggestions that would be shown to people. They can type in their own questions. So for example, total expenditure on health. Here's some examples it prompted automatically. I could narrow this down in United Kingdom to get more granular. So users can enter in their own questions based on what they need, but for that to happen, it has to be trained properly. There has to be proper relationships between the data, has to be proper understanding of what it means when people enter the data in here. For example, we could set up synonyms so that if someone were to enter a certain industry term, it would know what that means. Some of these were already set up in here, but I just want to show you an example of that. So we can suggest questions. We can also teach it to better understand how people are asking questions. For example, there may be industry terms that we need to implement so that individuals in that specific industry, such as healthcare, for example, can ask questions in a certain way so that Power BI report will understand what they're asking in a more natural way.